when I did this, I threw up.
Yeah, that's why we're gonna
I'm done. I quit.
You quit?
Oh my god!
He's about to throw up.
I'm gone.
What are these tattoos? Right?
Yeah.
Right? Oh.
Wait a minute.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is mommy's gonna cut it out, and then you guys pick which one you want to put on.
What?
Okay. Where did you get the tattoos from? TD Bank.
We got from TV Bank.
Yeet! All right, let's cut them out.
I died.
No. You don't have to take off the plastic. Okay, when you take off the plastic too quickly
Well,
and
I
then you
have
put
a
it
lot
back
of
on, it gets messed up. So please be careful.
Okay, guys, we're gonna see you in a bit. Yeah.
So we're gonna cut it out. And then remove the clear protective cover sheet. Place tattoo face down on skin. Wet back of tattoo. You can do it with a cloth. You can do it with water. Some people sometimes use spit to put it on. And then you wait 30 seconds. And it should slide right off. Where do you want yours? On your arm?
Yeah.
So let's see, what's the guy look like? Looks like this. And remember, his arm's a little messed up from the other paper. Okay, so let's put it on your arm. Right here? No, that one has one already.
Sorry.
Or maybe that's your marker. Let's put it on this one.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna stick it on, and then we're gonna put the tissue on top.
Okay.
I'm gonna put some. So now this is a wet tissue, like we come over by the sink. So what we did is we took a tissue. Alright, we took a tissue, and then we just put the water there. Underneath, squeeze it out a little bit, enough to where there's water, and then we rub it on. You can dab it, or pat it down. You can see that it's getting wet. We're gonna put it on for 10, actually maybe 20 seconds, cause
20?
yeah, 20 seconds, and then you should be able to take it off. Make sure we get all the corners. It still has water in the tissue. Squeeze a little on there. We don't want it to be too wet because that's what's going to happen. It's going to rub right off. Okay, so we're going to wait a few seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
You want to try taking it off slowly?
Yeah.
Whoa. Slowly. Came off? Oh, his leg is messed up. Uh-oh. Oh, we took it off a little too early. Let's see there. It's okay. It's okay. You have another one. It's your first time. It's your first time. It's okay. Let me see how it looks like. We'll put another one on there. Let me see. He got a little messed up. You took him off too early. Which arm? So then we're going to put the little ghost. Very cool. Good. And we're going to put it onto your arm or your hand. Right here?
No, here.
Right here? Okay. Let's put the ghost. I don't know if you can see it right. Oh, there it is.
I do it.
Okay.
So now I just press.
We press, squeeze, not too tight. And then I have the wet tissue right here. You want to rub it on? Just pat it down. Put the wet tissue down.
1, 2,
No scissors.
3, 4,
Squeeze
5,
it. Hold on.
6,
Squeeze a little
7,
bit. Not too much because it's got water in there.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
You want to do 20?
21.
It only said 10 seconds on the.
No, it says 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay, if it said 30 seconds.
20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Okay. Oh, we're up to 24. 24? You did 24. I thought you said 30.
Because we had to stop, so more seconds went.
Oh my
God.
Okay.
Let's see. Slowly. If it comes off too. Hold on. You're going to put you're going to do it yourself. Oh, it came out really good. Let me see.
4,
It came out very good.
6,
It's a little cracked, but it's good.
No, that's a real little line.
Yeah, it's like spooky looking. Nice.
4,
Ooh, it feels good. So just dry it.
40, 50.
Oh, you got yours going? Let me see.
80,
Tap it.
90, 20.
You got to go up to 30. 21.
21,
22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. Okay, slowly remove it now.
Wow.
Wait until it's a little moist, so let's make sure it's dry. Don't rub it off now. Awesome. Oh, you like it? This one?
Yeah.
That's fine. Have two. Who wants to take one off?
Me.
Okay, Jose, take off the first one. Take one off.
So it's like a guessing game.
No, just take it off. It's already done. It should be. I don't want it to.
I'll do this one.
Ooh.
Dang it! I got the girl.
Yeah,
me.
and you.
Well, me.
Yeah. Oh, two girls of the same kind.
49.
You think it's ready yet?
Yeah.
Do it slowly, because if it's not. Oh no! Oh wait. Maybe you can fix it a little bit. Oh, that one's messed up. Now it got messed up. Alright, so we got the little pumpkin here. And we got the big pumpkin here. Nothing on it yet. And we are going to put Bendy on one and Steve on the. We started drawing his face. Starting with the teeth. And we're using some Crayola Super Tips. They're washable with. In case you make a mistake, you can just wipe it off. Here. Okay, so we're done doing the bendy drawing part before we cut it open. Okay, Steve. There's Steve before we carve him out. Steve. Okay, now you're very excited, guys. But listen carefully because it is a knife.
Wait, it is?
Yep. We're going to do the pumpkin carving, but you guys are going to open it up and take out all the gooey stuff inside. Okay?
But how?
We're going to show you. Alright, let's put it on the table. This is Johnny's. Okay, you take it out. Oh, put it right here.
Last time
on top
when
of
I
the
had
plastic.
this,
On the
I
plastic.
threw up.
And you got to take out all the gooey stuff inside. You
Ew.
can scoop it out.
But what do you put it?
Those are pumpkin seeds.
Where do you put it?
Just put it on the plastic right here. We're going to wash this out. Scoop it out. And then Jose's going to... Ooh, be careful. This is
And
gonna take
nuts.
some. Those are nuts? No, those are pumpkin seeds.
Pumpkin seeds.
Yep, pumpkin seeds. Careful. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Yep. You got to be careful. Sometimes you can take your hand and take it out. You don't put your hand in there and scoop it out?
No.
Nope.
I'm not putting my hand in there.
The pumpkin should be ready. It should be
Oh,
nice.
my pumpkin's ready.
Yeah, your pumpkin's ready?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. You do it on the other plastic over there.
So I do what on this one?
Yeah, move the little cup with all the spoons and then put it right on the mat.
Let's get down.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
It'll take you guys some time here.
Oh
Let me
my
see your
Do a
inside
little bit
yours.
and mommy and daddy will finish it.
Okay. Ooh, all right. So Johnny is taking it all out. So we're going to take out all the seeds and the guts. You see how a pumpkin looks like inside? It's got seeds and some tanglies. So yeah, just clean it out and then we're going to cut the face. Take it out. You can put your hand in there.
No.
No. Oh, you don't want to put your hand in there?
No.
No. Don't put the spoon back.
I want that one.
Fork?
I don't think I
Put it
can
down.
do this.
You don't think you can
I'm
do it?
about
You're
to
giving
throw
up.
up.
You're gonna throw up.
Because
Why?
last time when I did this, I threw up.
Yeah, that's why we're gonna
I'm done. I quit.
You quit?
Oh my
He's about to throw up.
I'm gone.
Nice. Ooh, so let's see. No. Don't put your pillow on the table. The pumpkin stuff is there. Okay, just hold up, Bendy, and let's see your pumpkin now. Turn your pumpkin so we can see it. Johnny, are you listening? Turn your pumpkin so we can see it. No.
Oh.
The whole thing. Whoa.
I want my name.
Your name?
Yeah.
Dada made this one. This is Bendy.
I want my name.
You want to write your name? Okay, you write your name. I don't know where.
On the back.
On the back? All right. Where's the marker? Johnny's going to write his name on his Bendy. Okay. Johnny put his name on the back of his pumpkin. Johnny. Is it backwards? It's a little backwards.
No.
Okay, so that's how Steve looks like. And look, does he look like him?
Definitely. But the color isn't right.
I mean, there was no color. It's a pumpkin, Jose. It's just the squares and his mustache. There you go.
That's his nose.
That's his nose, yeah. We colored his nose in and cut the bottom of
If I
his
care by your name.
stash. Looks like him. Looks like him. All right. Since you don't like to take out the pumpkin guts. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Johnny? Thanks.
See you next time.
See you, J&J Pad Pal.